everyone, I'm Shubham and I'm back again, and this time I've brought you the topic of Google Tips and Tricks Part 2. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first trick is about misshaping a heart in Google. So, there's a trick like trigonometric. I've copy pasted it and now let's search for it. You can see as it is very big and I couldn't remember or recall it, so I have just copy pasted. You can see it from the pause the video or watch it again and see it and apply it to it. It's very cool. As you can see, a heart shape is formed with like coordinates that we studied in maths. It's very cool trick, right? Let's jump to another one. Here's a barrel roll trick. Go to Google and search do a barrel roll. As you can see, I'm doing. As you can see, the tab page did a barrel roll in a clockwise manner. It's a very cool trick, right? Let's jump to another one. Well, for those who are learning programming and other Java programs, there's a trick for them too. Go to Google and search Blink HTML. As you can see, the text are blinking and it's a super cool feature. There's a cool trick for astrophysics too, like the Google gravity. Let's search for it. Let's go to the first tab. It's taking a bit time. Yes, now it's open. Now let's tap on the Google bar or the sign in. As you can see, the interface or UI looks like doesn't have a gravity, and you can bounce things, jump on things and do whatever you want. Now enough fun, let's jump to the next trick. This trick is so simple. Just go to Google and search askew, ASKEW. As from the meaning, you can see it not in a straight line or a position. So as you can see, the lines are like slanting, or you can say sliding, and it's not straight. It's a cool trick, right? You can see, you can think that your phone got hanged or something, but it's a very cool trick. Now let's jump to the next trick, shall we? Let's go. Now here's a fun trick you can play or you can prank. Just go to Google and search animal sounds. As you can see, there are several animal sounds from horse, antelope, and there are many others too for the kids, and YouTube suggestions are too coming. So let's try one. Okay, I think there is a sound issue. Okay, that's cool. Now let's jump to another trick. Let's try this spin the dry loop. As we can see, these games we have played in the previous video. You can check that link in the description area. Let's play this one. Spinning. Okay, I couldn't understand that game. Let's jump to another one. Do you love vintage vibes? So here's the tricks for you. Go to Google and search Google in 1998. As you can see, there's down, yeah, this slide. Click on this Google in 1999 e-glue G. As you can see, the interface is totally vintage and retro that we used to see in 1998. It's so cool looking, right? So, vintage people, here's the place for you. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you see my next video. I've added link in the description area. Do check that and put down your queries in the comment section. Do like, comment, share with your friends and subscribe to Gossip Funda. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. See you next time. Goodbye.